How you guys doing? Billverine here. We're back again. I'm going to play a little bit of Shotgun Farmers. Now, don't make fun of me because I'm not good with keyboard and mouse. I've been kind of practicing a little bit, but I'm nowhere near good like most people are. But anyways, let me just turn this down a little bit. It seems like it's so loud. All right, guys, let's just get into it and do this.
Capture that chicken.
All right, we're going to go after the chicken. I'm like, where am I? I haven't. Oh, look at that. Pig. It's Statue of Liberty. That's cool. Boom, back of the head, buddy. You never saw that coming. Back of the head. Trying not to yell because it seems like I'm echoing so loud from my microphone.
Victory!
Oh, so close. Pow, pow, pow. Someone just get a pig? Okay, he sent it back. All right. Man, where is everybody at?
Double kill.
Got you guys. Let's go protect my guy. Oh, he got it. He got it.
Victory!
Oh, we won. That was quick and easy.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. First blood, double kill.
You know, I'm surprised no one tried to shoot right away. Oh my God. What happened? Did I get hit by a train? Oh shit. Where the hell is he? There we go. Thank you, buddy. They don't see me coming. But the other guy did. Nope, he didn't either. Okay, he's out here looking for somebody. Oh my God. Pathetic. Alright, my guy's got the chicken. This game is a lot of fun. They have a new winter one too, where you're the chicken and you're having snowball fights with other people. I've seen that one. That's pretty cool.
Rock drop incoming.
Oh, I'll take your gun. Don't mind if I do. How did he get over that fence? Alright, alright. I said it feels weird, like I've been saying. Oh, I keep repeating myself. It feels weird playing on keyboard and mouse because I'm not used to it. But it's a lot of fun at the same time. Man, I need to get something here. Get me some more health. I mean, I'm about ready to die. Is there a jug of something over here? Oh, we both killed each other. We took each other out. That's funny. Alright, alright. Did I fall down a hole? Oh, I thought I went down a hole or something. See, I gotta learn to slow down when I get up close. And when I get too close and I'm not... That's where I screw up. On keyboard and mouse.
Here comes the helicopter.
I gotta learn to slow up and take a second. Gotcha, buddy. Oh, he only got one shot left.
Drop inbound.
Oh man, I got blinded. Ah, I can't see. Oh my god, I'm on fire. I'm on fire. Oh, damn it. Oh, the other team captured our chicken. I thought for sure I had him there. Where is he? Come on, man. They got our chicken? Oh, they do. Alright, I'm trying to get it over there so I can get some more bullets.
Victory.
Oh, we won anyway.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go get that scarecrow.
So how many of you all ever transitioned over from controller to keyboard and mouse? I figured, you know what? I have a gaming computer. I never use it. I only use it to record my gameplay and edit my videos. And I was like, you know what? Let me give it a chance, because I always hate it because I didn't know how to walk or run right. So that's the reason why I never liked playing on keyboard and mouse. I never liked playing on keyboard and mouse because I didn't know how to walk or move or run and stuff like that. You didn't even see me coming. Watermelon sugar high. He's got the watermelon gun. Ooh, double kill, baby. Not bad for being on control.
The scarecrow, move. Double kill.
Double kill, baby.
Drop inbound.
I need a gun before I protect this Sekka, the scarecrow. They can come from any corner, man.
Where'd the scarecrow go?
This is the only hard part about
it's
defending
over
it. Oh, it didn't go very far, that's for sure. Oh man, my cows are in the way. I don't want to shoot the cows. Damn, I got one shot left. And I made it count, buddy. Oh, I didn't even know you were in there. Shit, got me off guard.
Crop duster incoming. The scarecrow done wandered off. Double kill.
Damn, somebody already got the... I need to get some more energy here. Oh no, I'm full. I just need more shield.
The crop dropped his head.
Too many of them. Where's my teammates at? Damn it. There they go.
Where'd the scarecrow go? Oh, it's over there.
Haha, you didn't get a chance to get me with that, buddy. Alright. Let's get over here. Where's the scarecrow? Oh. I'm standing on it. I'm like, where's the scarecrow? I'm standing right there. Huh. Oh, damn, I flung him way over there. Man, I am having so much fun, man, right now. Wow. What a different experience playing on keyboard and mouse. I got no more bullets.
Victory!
Alright, we won. Alright guys, I'm gonna leave it here. If you like the video, leave a like. If you don't like the video, leave a like anyway. Either way, leave a like. And I love you, and I'll see y'all next video.